This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essential permissions and testing the hardware. Open your device settings and make sure Messenger can access the microphone. Once done, force close the app and restart your phone to clear transient issues that block audio capture. Then record a quick clip with the built-in voice recorder to verify the mic works. This isolates whether the problem is Messenger-specific or a device audio fault. If the recorder fails, stop here and fix hardware or system permissions. Now you focus on app and network layers because many voice errors stem from outdated code or poor connectivity. First, update Messenger to the latest release. Developers often patch recording bugs. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall Messenger to remove corrupted temporary files. Make sure your internet is stable, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. Once you change networks, try sending another voice message to see whether transmission failures caused the error. Finish by eliminating remaining conflicts and checking system limits. Disable Bluetooth or external mics so the phone uses its internal microphone, and verify you have enough storage and no background restrictions blocking the app. If the voice message still errors, log out and log back in to refresh your account state, then reproduce the issue and gather details. Troubleshooting tip. If it keeps failing, record screen and audio logs, then contact Messenger support with timestamps and error messages so they can trace the root.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.